Friends, welcome to Lakshmi Arts, and today in this video, let's see how to assemble different floral and decorative items to make a beautiful hanging for the main door. This beautiful hanging can be used during Diwali festival or any other festival. So let's go ahead and see the step-by-step procedure of making this beautiful hanging. Friends, the materials we require for this Toran are jute belt 40 inches in length, golden frill bangles 6 inches and 4 inches, shaded pink flower patch, peony flowers of 5 to 6 different colors, ferns, small beads bunch, thread for sewing, glue gun to stick all the things together. Please contact on the above number to order the ready-made Toran or the DIY kit to make this Toran. Friends, let's start making the Toran by taking the jute belt and marking the placement of this 6 inches frill bangles. We need to place these 6 bangles equally on the jute belt. First, let's take both the bangles, the 6 inches and the 4 inches ones together using the glue gun. We need to prepare 6 such pairs of the frill bangles joined together. Next, let's take the flower patch and 2 bunch of bead tassel. Tie the tassels together and stick it on the flower patch as shown. Add a backing to it to give a neat look. We need 6 such flower patch and tassel pairs. Now taking one flower tassel and the pair of rings, let's stick the flower tassel on the bangles as shown. Let's stick the flower tassel on all the bangles and again stick these bangles on the jute belt as shown. Let's place all the bangle set on the jute belt for proper equal placement and then stick it using glue gun, making sure it has stuck firmly onto the jute belt from all the sides. Next, let's place the ferns on the required area and attach 2 ferns on the jute belt as shown. Here we are sewing the ferns onto the jute belt. We can also use glue gun. We have to sew 2 ferns on the edges on both the ends, one on top of the bangle and between the bangles too. We have to sew 2 ferns on the edges on both the ends, one on top of the bangle and between the bangles too. Now let's take 5 to 6 different colored peony flowers and stick them onto the jute belt one by one, following the color scheme as shown. Continue sticking the peony flowers, covering the jute belt completely. Here we have finished sticking the peony flowers all over the jute belt, covering it completely. Friends, our beautiful peony flower toran is ready to use as a home decor. Please contact on the above number to place the order for this ready toran or for the DIY kit for this toran. The kit will include all the materials required to make this toran. Thanks for watching.